Hello class, I am Lalita Singh and you are going to study science with me in class 7. Today we are discussing chapter 9, that is called wind, storm and cyclone. We have already discussed it in our first video. This is our second video where we are going to study about tornadoes. Until now we have studied about what is air, wind, how atmospheric pressure affect the formation of wind. Fifth, what are the factors which affect the speed and direction of wind? What is thunderstorm? What is cyclone? So now we are going to study today what is tornado. Clear? So a tornado is a violent dark funnel shaped cloud. See over here. A tornado is a dark funnel shaped cloud extended from thunderstorm that reaches to the ground from the sky. Means tornado are extended from sky to ground. Okay. Tornado can cause great damage to the life and property. They can even uproot the tree. Most violent tornado up to now has been noticed with 400 km per hour. Okay, 400 km per hour. Whereas if we talk about cyclone, it was 200 km per hour, which was the most highest speed of the cyclone. Okay, so now this is called tornado when the dark funnel shaped cloud extended from sky to the land with rotating wind over there is called tornado. What are the measures that we should take to avoid tornado disaster? First, we need to construct a storm shelter. Okay, what do we need to do? First, we need to construct a storm shelter where the people can go and where the people can go and take shelter. Next is afforestation, that is planting of tree on large scale. Trees prevent the speed or trees block the speed of the fresh way. Okay, if we are planting more and more tree, we can at least control the speed of the wind. Now next is connecting road help to in evacuating the people quickly to the safe area. If there is a warning of tornado in a particular place, we need to evacuate the place. Okay, so we need to have a good roadway so that we can carry the people from that place to safe shelters. Okay, so for that reason we need to have roadways in good condition. Okay. Cyclone forecast services, that is, warning should be given repeatedly and rapidly to the general public, especially the fisherman, because the fisherman is the one who suffer the most by these kind of natural calamities. Okay, so warning should be repeatedly broadcast on radio so that people can get aware properly. Next is generating public awareness about the safety measures help the people to avoid damage caused due to cyclone. Means we should educate the people how to take safety measures. What are the safety measures to be taken while cyclone disaster? This may be done through informative brochure or pamphlet or talk show, okay, over television to discuss with expert how to take control of such a situation on personal level. Clear? Next is weather instrument. The instrument mentioned over here is called wind vane, whereas this is called anemometer. Anemometer is helpful in detecting the speed of the wind, whereas wind vane is helpful in detecting the direction of the wind. Okay, these kind of instrument are used to understand weatheric condition or element of weather. Okay, the instrument used to study the weather are called weather instrument. Clear? Wind vane and anemometer are the weather instrument. Next is weather forecasting. Next is weather forecasting. It is very important to know about the upcoming weather. It can be forecast, okay, it can be forecast by studying the changes in element of weather. Okay, weather forecasting should be accurate as much possible. because so many people depend upon them. In India, Indian Meteorological Department, with the help of INSAT satellite chain of cyclone detector radar, does the forecasting and warning. The CDRs means chain cyclones detecting radars are installed at the coastline of India. India has 10 CDRs. CDRs means cyclone detection radar. 6 in east coast and 4 in west coast. Weather forecasting is important because weather forecasting proved critical information about the weather to come. It serves weather situations, short-term forecasting and warning can help to save life and property. Okay, if there is any disaster which is predicted, okay, earlier, then people can take safety measures, they can evacuate the place, they can also move from that particular place. This in this way the people can save their own life. Clear? Now we are going to discuss the question answer as we have already finished the chapter. Hopefully you have understood it properly. If you still have problem, then ask the question regarding the chapter. Okay, first question, moving air is called, this is the question of checkpoint 1, moving air is called when. Okay, second question, the weight of air acting on a surface causes air pressure. Understood? Third question, the envelope of air surrounding our earth is called atmosphere. Fourth, high speed wind are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Fifth, the direction of wind depend upon temperature and air pressure. Okay, next is, okay, checkpoint 2. Thunderstorms are violent storm with intense spiral. True or false? It is false. Thunderstorm is not violent storm with intense spiral. It is only thunder and lightning. Okay. Next is, during thunderstorm we should stay away from water body. True. It is true. Second one is true. The calm center of cyclone is called eye of the cyclone. True. Lightning does not occur with all the thunderstorm. False. Because if there is no lightning, there will be no thunderstorm. Means it will not called as thunderstorm. Next, question number 5. Moisture laden wind are called monsoon wind. True. Okay. Now next question. A. Practice time. Which of the following is not characteristic of air? Air contract on heating. B. Understood? Next question. Which of the following play a major role in the formation of thunderstorm? It is convection. So answer is B. Third is, which of the following should not be done during thunderstorm? Taking shelter under an umbrella with metallic end. Option C is the correct answer. We should not use umbrella with metallic ends. Now, fourth number question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. The direction of wind depend upon the temperature and air pressure. It is correct. Second, when the air become warm, it become heavier and move down. B is incorrect. Because when the air become warm, it will expand and it will move in upward direction. So B is your answer. Understood? Next, fifth question. Cyclones are accompanied by heavy rain, strong wind, AB, or high pressure. It is option C. Both heavy rain and strong wind are accompanying cyclone. Okay, now next, B number question. True or false? Okay, first question. It is easier to fly a kite when the wind is blowing from behind you. True. Next, second question. Wind are caused due to change in temperature and pressure in the air. True. Third question. The reason where air pressure is low is called anticyclone. False. Fourth number question. Cyclone are known as typhoon in Japan. True. Fifth question. One should stay away from water body during thunderstorm. True. Okay. Fifth one is also true. Now segment C. Fill in the blanks. Wind always move from a region of high air pressure to a region of low air pressure. Okay, first one you should write high. In the second one you will write low air pressure. Next is second question. Moving air is called wind. Understood? Third question. Land near the equator become warmer faster than the water in the ocean in summer. So answer is warmer. Fourth question. A thunderstorm is a storm accompanied by lightning and thunder. Okay, next question. Storm dash cause an abnormal rise in the level of seawater in the coastal region. Okay, it is storm surges. Now, question number D. Define air pressure. Pressure acting on a body due to weight of air is called air pressure, or you can move in the front of the page to get a proper definition. The weight of air acting on a surface causes air pressure. Okay, or you can write from here, the air exerts pressure on everything on earth. It is called air pressure. The weight of air exerts pressure on everything on earth, and this is called air pressure. Next question. Okay, what happened when air get heated? Okay, what happened when air get heated? You can write the answer from here. The warm air expand, become light and rise up from wind current. You will write over here. Okay, the warm air expand, become light in and rise up. This reduce the air pressure at this place. The cooler area is denser and rushes to take its place. This is how the wind are caused. Next is question number 3. What are cyclone? You can write the answer from here. Strong wind rotate faster, forming a huge circle. The atmospheric condition is called cyclone. Okay. Warm air above the sea surface move faster and faster, and this create a huge circle in the sea water, and this is called this condition is called cyclone. Now next question. What do you mean by tornado? Yes, you can write over here. A tornado is a violent dark funnel-shaped cloud extended from thunderstorm that reaches to ground from the sky. Tornado is defined over here. Okay, tornado, you have to write only 2.5 lines from over here. Tornado is a violent dark funnel-shaped cloud extended from the thunderstorm that reaches to the ground from sky. Next is, what is thunderstorm? Okay, thunderstorm given over here. Storm with heavy rain, thunder and lightning is called thunderstorm. Question. What are monsoon wind? Okay, you can write the answer from checkpoint 2, fifth point. Moisture laden wind are called monsoon wind. Okay, next question. What do you understand by the eye of the cyclone? The central calm area of cyclone is called eye of the cyclone. Over here in checkpoint 2, point number 3, the calm center of the cyclone is called eye of the cyclone. Okay, next question. What are storm surges? Okay, no problem. Storm surges. Fresh wind associated with cyclone can cause storm surges. Storm surges, which causes abnormal rise in the level of seawater in the coastal area. Means storm surges is abnormal rise in the level of seawater in the coastal region. Okay, storm surges is what? Abnormal rise in the level of seawater in the coastal area. Next is, what are the two factors on which direction of wind depends? The direction of wind depends on temperature and difference in air pressure. Okay, temperature and difference in air pressure. Next question. What are the danger associated with the cyclone? Written over here. Danger associated with cyclone. 4 points are given. You will write from here all the 4 points. Clear? Danger. Cyclones are dangerous. From here you will write all the 4 points. Clear? Next is long answer type of question. Describe an activity to demonstrate the air exert pressure. For that you can write either activity 1 or or activity 2. Okay, to prove this thing you can write activity 1 or 2. Understood? Activity 1 or 2 can be written for the answer of first long question answer. Next question. Suggest an activity to demonstrate that moving air lower the pressure in the area it occupies. For this you will write activity number 3 or 4. Both of the activities are proving the same thing. Activity 3 or 4 you can write on for this question answer. Next, how are cyclone caused? Okay, next question is how are cyclone caused? Away. The air above sea and ocean get heated. The last line of page number 114. The air above the sea and ocean get heated and become warm to called cyclone. Okay, to the condition is called cyclone. Clear? You will write whole paragraph over there. Next question. What safety measures should be taken to prevent cyclone disaster? Safety measures are given over here. How many points are over here? 5 points. You can write all the 5 points. What measures to be taken to prevent cyclone disaster? That is your answer. Next question. How are wind caused? Okay. Wind current. Go to the area of wind current over here. How are wind caused? Okay. The warm air expands, become light and rises up. This reduces the air pressure of a place. The cooler air is denser and rushes to take its place. This is how wind are caused. Okay, this is how wind are caused. Clear? Next. Look at the image and answer the following question. First, look at the image carefully. This is your image. Now, the first question is, why does the balloon blow up when the bottle is kept in hot water? Because when we have placed the balloon in hot water, the air inside the bottle get warm and they expand, and only balloon can get expanded over here. So, balloon get expand. Understood? Next, why does the balloon deflate when the bottle is placed in cold water? Because when we place the bottle in cold water, the air filled inside the bottle get cold and they get condensed, and because of this the atmospheric pressure inside the bottle get reduced. Okay, and because of this the balloon get deflated. Next question. Now again, in the given picture, why does the cardboard not fall even on removing the palm below? Because the air pressure which is applied on the cardboard from the lower to upper end is higher in comparison to the weight of the water. Clear? That is why the cardboard do not fall. Next question. Differentiate between a cyclone and a tornado. A cyclone is a disaster which occurs in sea area, whereas a tornado can occur at any places. Okay, cyclone is what? Cyclone is caused due to fastly moving air above the sea surface, whereas tornado is caused due to extended cloud from the sky. Clear? Next, what precaution must be taken during thunderstorm if you are inside your house? For that you will write all the points mentioned over here. Okay, if you are inside your house. Lastly, Understood? Inside, if you are inside, close the window, then do not touch electrical equipment, keep listening to the battery operated radio, avoid any contact with electrical instrument, avoid corded phone. Clear? Next question. Hots. Observe the given picture and answer the question as follow. How is the boy able to drink water with the help of straw? Actually, boy is sucking the cold drink with the help of mouth. By the process of sucking, he pull all the air present in the straw. And to balance the atmospheric pressure, the air or whatever the thing are present on the second end of the straw, they will rush into the straw. Understood? In this case, the straw is next end of the straw is in contact with water. That is why the drink will rush into the straw and they will reach to the boy. Why? Because he is continuously sucking on the straw. Next is the girl find it difficult to drink with the straw as the straw has small hole in it. Can you explain why? As you see, the straw is having a hole. So when this girl is sucking the cold drink with the help of straw, the low atmospheric pressure which has been created inside the straw with the help by the girl is balanced out by the rushing air from the hole, because now the straw is having two opening. One is fitted inside the liquid and the second one is fitted in the air. Okay, one is open in the liquid and second one is open in the air. Above hole is present in contact with the air, so air rush into the straw to balance the air pressure. That is because of it the girl find it difficult to drink with the help of straw. Okay, next is in the equatorial region, wind blow toward equator from both of the hemisphere. Why? Because equator receive maximum sunlight, so the air above the equator become heated more and they started to rise upward. This way it create a low atmospheric pressure in the equatorial area, and that is why to balance the air pressure, the air from the both region, okay, air will blow from both of the region toward the equator. Clear? Next is why are two freely hanging ping pong ball pushed toward each other when the air is blown in between them? You can write the conclusion part of activity number 4 for the answer. When we blow between the ping pong ball, the air pressure between them get reduced. The air pressure outside the ball is higher. This pushes the ball toward each other, moving air lower the pressure of the area it occupies. Clear? So we have finished the question answers of this chapter as well. Okay, everyone. So I'm finishing this video over here. Have a nice day, everyone.